Hello guys, welcome to my channel Beauty by Bu. My name is Blessing and I'm always happy to be here with you guys as usual. And for those of you who have been here, who have subscribed, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, just watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I almost blind today. Consider subscribing to my channel because seriously you're going to get good stuff from this place, okay? So today, well, you will see that I'm all like, I look so dull. I'm just coming back from a wedding and I'm really tired, but I decided to shoot this video because it's really been long. I shot a video and posted, so this is for you guys. Well, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to tie the Islam, or let me just say the turban hair tie, the hijab hair tie, the Islamic hair tie. To all my Muslim sisters, I love you guys. I really love how you guys dress up and doll up. Like, I really love it. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do it at a very cheap rate. First of all, I want to show you guys the material I used. This is the material I used, if you can see it well. This is called a London material and this is only 1 yard I bought. If you want a really long one, you can buy more than 1 yard. You can get different types of colors in the market and it is just for 315 naira. This is 1 yard of London material, and when I bought it, I decided to weave the sides of the materials. Now in London material, you could get a very thick one, a medium thick, and a really light one. If you can see how flowy this is a very light one, and that will really give you the form of the hijab shape you want. So without much time, I'll just want us to go into our tutorials and just teach you guys like 3 to 4 different styles of hijab you can tie, or turban you can tie. Okay,
so I'm about to take off my wig and oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Alright, so this is your full scarf. What you do is to fold it into two, making one part shorter, as you can see. Then you place it on your head and let the part on your head align well. One part of the scarf should be shorter and one should be longer. Take the longer parts and twist around your neck, and then you have this. Second part, take your full scarf, take the tip of the top parts of the scarf diagonally down, giving you this shape I have. Then tuck in those shape inside the scarf, giving you this shape. Then you place it on your head, as you can see. Crisscross the two tails at the back of your head. Then take in one tail and just do exactly as I did in the video. Then look for somewhere to tuck it in at the back. You have to tuck it in properly. Then the other tail, align it well, giving you a very good shape. Then take it slantly, crossing it at the middle part of your head. So in this one, you're not taking it all the way around the head, you're crossing it at the middle part of the head, and that gives you this. After crossing it, you have to tuck it in behind and then arrange any edges, any rough edges, and you have this. Then you can also put on your earrings and you're good to go. Or there's something else you could do. Take off that part in which you put in diagonally and just leave it as a tail on its own. And you still have a really nice style of hijab, or you could cross it around your neck. So either you leave it like this or you leave it like that. I love the design so much. So on that style, take up the top tip and diagonally put it down, giving you this shape. Then hide in that shape, fold it into two again, giving you this, and make sure the two sides are equal. Then place it on your head properly. Crisscross behind, and that's my baby behind. He just moved. Then take one tail and round it on your head, tucking it in behind, and then the other one, arrange it properly and do the same. Then you can tuck in the rough edges. You can see in the picture in the video I have rough edges. You can just tuck them in to give it a nice finish. Then put on your earrings and you're good to go.
Really love the tutorials on how to tie this turban / Islamic / hijab hairstyles, and anything you think I didn't do right, you can also tell me, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget that you should please subscribe. You can like this video, and if you want, you can also share it. Until I come your way next time, my name is Blessing, and it was really nice having you guys.